Even after a detailed cleaning, we still found the famous acid rain stains on the glass. In this video, I will introduce you to Lady Bug, our acid rain remover. It will quickly remove these stains effectively, ensuring that the glass remains crystal clear. Guys, here are some application tips. The first one, make sure the glass is cool, shake the product, apply it to the tool, in this case the dab jack. Our microfiber applicator, a small amount on the applicator. Section the area, folks. We won't do a very large area, that's why we have the division with tape. And now let's proceed with the application. Circular motions, folks, to create friction between the product and the surface to be treated. The product, as I mentioned, acts quickly and instantly. We just repeat the motion. Next step, folks. Rinse with plenty of water for a phenomenal finish. Alright? Guys, product applied, rinsing done, and now I'm going to show you the tape, the half and half. As you can see on the right side, a glass contaminated with acid rain marks, and on the left side, the problem solved. So folks, for those who still have doubts, Lady Bug, the best acid rain remover on the market. For more videos like this, keep following Dab on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video, folks.